If you get this 0Auth2 exception error on Venmo, then I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So listen to this video very carefully. If you get 0Auth2 exception, unable to complete your request, please try again on Venmo, and you're unable to log in, then this tutorial will help you fix this issue. So the first step you need to try in order to fix this Venmo 0Auth2 exception error, try using a different browser. So you can try to use a different browser such as Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or Brave browser. So on your browser, you can just go to the Venmo website, which is venmo.com, and then you can log in from there. So you can try to use your browser to see if it can help you fix this issue. If you have used the browser, or if you've tried to use a different browser, but you're still facing again the same problem, then Venmo servers may be down. So probably servers may be down. Try to wait like 24 to 48 hours and try again. Avoid attempting to log in multiple times, as this could reduce your chances of success and might lead your account being flagged as suspicious. So if you've tried a different browser and you're still having the same problem, then probably Venmo servers may be down. Wait like 24 to 48 hours and try again. Avoid attempting to log in multiple times, as this could reduce your chances of success and might lead your account being flagged as suspicious. Another thing you need to try, if it has taken longer to log in, then just contact support. So Venmo support is available. You can just go to this page, which is help.venmo.com, and then you can just fill this contact form and you can contact them from there. Also, you can just chat with them. They have a live chat on their app. You can just contact from there, or you can just call them through this number, which is available on their contact form. But just follow these steps I've shown you, and it can help you fix this problem.